Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode we're building a kitten or a cat labyrinth for the litter box and whatever. And I have a nice stack of furniture panel, pre-finished, and I'm gonna assemble this. So stay tuned. Here, the little cabinet. The outside is finished, and I'm gonna assemble the inside, the labyrinth part, and then finishing the top side and front side. I'm using these lamello and domino joiners in the whole cabinet to keep it together, to assemble the whole part. But this could also be done with dowels and screws. This is a production setting, so this is why I use these fancy methods. But this is not, there are different ways to do this. But that's the reason why I use these. Right here, the front side is made. Every part is assembled for the most part. And it is going to be disassembled to coat this with paint, but also do some edge bending here. And then reassemble and deliver. right here I'm gonna attach this solid wood edging, and then it's bump proof.
Moet je een dikke peer of?
So the parts are finished for assembly, and I'm gonna do some sanding afterwards, but let me put on the lid. So the cat labyrinth is ready for shipping, and I got all the stuff installed. The lid works as intended, and the lock and all the other parts fit nicely. So that's cool.